Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I'm going to test this Parkside air polishing set. Let's apply some cream to my car. I will polish only with the one side just for a comparison, and I will start first with the orange, the pre-polishing disc. And after finishing the first polishing, we need to clean with a clean cloth the unnecessary cream. Of course, you can use your own products. There are so many products on the market. Definitely you will find the best for your car. Now remove the orange first polishing and then reattach the final polishing, the black. And again, you need to reapply some of the cream, but not too much. And as I said, you can find out so many products at the market, find the right one that is more suitable for you. This video is more just to show you how is working the tool at the car. And again, clean any unnecessary cream from the car. And then on a final step, you need to reattach the fake fur attachment and start the process again. Apply again some of the cream if that is necessary. Well guys, that was all about this air polishing set from Parkside. I think he's doing a great job compared with the other side. Of course, the most important is to have the best wax cream, then you have a greater results. And it's matter very well to have a good air pressure from your air compressor. then it will polish faster and you will have more RPM. I think it's a great tool. It costs only 20 euros. And if you decided to polish your car by yourself, well, just buy it, give it a try and see how it goes. Find out, of course, the best wax cream at the market. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. And share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.